Laser cutting is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves using a high-powered laser beam to cut through various materials such as metal, plastic, wood, and more. This process is highly precise and efficient, allowing for intricate designs and shapes to be cut with ease. Laser cutting is commonly used in the production of parts and components for various industries such as automotive, aerospace, and electronics. The process of laser cutting involves the use of a computer-controlled laser beam that is directed onto the material being cut. The laser beam heats the material to a high temperature, causing it to melt or vaporize and creating a clean, precise cut. This process is highly efficient and can be completed quickly, making it a popular choice for manufacturers looking to increase productivity and reduce costs. Berkness Company, a manufacturing company based in Minnesota, offers laser cutting services to its clients. With over 60 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and equipment necessary to provide high-quality laser cutting services to a wide range of industries. Their state-of-the-art laser cutting machines are capable of cutting through a variety of materials with precision and accuracy, ensuring that their clients receive the exact parts and components they need for their products. If you are interested in learning more about laser cutting and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, Berkness Company is a great resource. Their team of experts can provide you with information on the benefits of laser cutting, as well as answer any questions you may have about the process. To learn more, visit the Contact Us page on their website and fill out the form to get in touch with their team. With their years of experience and commitment to quality, Berkness Company is the perfect partner for all your laser cutting needs. FAQs. 1. What materials can be cut using laser cutting technology in manufacturing? Answer. Laser cutting technology can cut a wide range of materials, including metals, such as steel, aluminum, and copper, plastics, wood, fabrics, and even some ceramics. The type of material and its thickness will determine the power and intensity of the laser required for cutting. 2. What are the advantages of laser cutting in manufacturing? Answer. Laser cutting offers several advantages over traditional cutting methods, including precision, speed, and versatility. Laser cutting can produce intricate and complex shapes with high accuracy and consistency, reducing the need for manual labor and minimizing material waste. It is also faster than many other cutting methods, allowing for higher production rates. Additionally, laser cutting can be used on a variety of materials, making it a versatile option for many manufacturing applications. 3. What are the limitations of laser cutting in manufacturing? Answer. While laser cutting has many advantages, it also has some limitations. One limitation is the thickness of the material that can be cut. Laser cutting is typically best suited for materials that are less than 1 inch thick, although some machines can cut thicker materials. Another limitation is the cost of the equipment and maintenance, which can be higher than other cutting methods. Finally, laser cutting can produce heat, which can cause warping or discoloration of some materials, so it may not be suitable for all applications. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.